this tutorial I will be showing you how you can get back your default FAT32 format in your flash drive in case you have converted it previously to a bootable flash drive. So here, if we select our flash drive and go to properties, we have the file system in NTFS. Now it's very simple to bring back it to its default FAT32 file system. So the process is just go to format and select restore device defaults. After you select this, you will see FAT32 default in the file system, and then just start the format procedure. Once this is done, it will be back to its FAT32 format. You don't have to open command prompt in order to do this conversion. So this is very simple. Now let's go to properties and check it. See, we have got back our FAT32 file system. So it's very simple and easy, very quick. You don't have to use any other method. This is the most simple method. Hope you like it. Thank you.